Hello guys, welcome to Java Smart. My name is Jayapratap Singh. In this tutorial we are going to see a demo on constructor based dependency injection. So let's get started. So I'm going to create a class called constructor injection section, and this class I have a dependency, so I'll write the dependency private dependency okay. So I need to create a class dependency. Okay, yeah, so in that class I will have one field, private just a string name. Okay, this class contains a field that is name, so I'll write a constructor here, dependency start public, and this dot name equals to name. So I wrote this dependency constructor for that dependency class, and inside that I'm setting this dependency name. Okay, and then inside this class, that is constructor injection class, inside that also I need to write one constructor to set this dependency. So public injection. Okay, here this dot dependency equals to, okay, I have written both the classes. So I'll have one more method to print this value, so I'll write that method as public show, that will show the value of name field. System, so I'll print the value, so that name, let's make it, and I'll print the value of name, whatever I will assign. Okay, so void, it's a method, so I need to give return type. Here also I'll write this same method, like another method with the same name. I'm writing like public show, and I'll just call that method and see dot show method. I'm just calling that method. Make it save. What happened to this dependency? Okay, I forgot to save this, so that's why it was showing error. So now it's okay. Now what I need to do, I need to write the beans in configuration file. So bean it I'm going to give, first I'll create the dependency bean, that I'll give a d, oh okay, class is equals to, class name is dependency, and inside that I need to write a constructor, and that constructor will set the value. Which value? This value, name value. So I'll write value equals to, I'm going to give the value as sample value. Okay, so this this will be printed when I try to when I will call the show method. You'll see that. Okay, so I need to write another bean for another class, that is constructor. So bean id I will give C because constructor, so just I'm writing the initial letter, and class will be injection. Okay, now I need to write a constructor for this as well, but instead of using value, what is that, instead of using value, I'll use reference, because I'm going to give the reference of the dependency bean. So I'll give reference id here, and then okay, so now I have constructor and the value, I have classes, I have set the value. Now from the application, sorry, bean factory, I need to get the b for this constructor injection class. So how I will get that value, I will write this bean factory, and I will call the get bean method. Get bean, inside that I will pass the id of the bean which I want to access, so I want to create. So I want to create the C class constructor injection class bean, so I'll pass C. Okay, let's pass C. Okay, I have passed C, and then I have to typecast it to constructor injection class. Okay, injection CI. Okay, so I've typecasted. Yep, so it's done. Now what I'll do, I will call the show method of CI. Show method. Yeah, so now I'll explain what will happen. Yeah, so I have created a constructor injection class with the name const injection, and another class as dependency. Okay, so dependency contains one field, that is name. So I'm setting that field using a setter injection, sorry, constructor injection. So I have used a constructor, dependency constructor. Inside that I'm just setting that value, and I have another method, that is show, which will print the value of that field, that name field. Inside constructor injection class, I have the dependency as the dependency class. So I have written like private field dependency of type dependency, and inside the constructor of this class, that is constructor injection constructor, inside that I'm setting this value, and I have one more method, show method. Okay, I'll make it show so that it won't confuse you guys. Show one. Okay, so yeah, so I have show method which will call the dependency show method. Okay, so then I have in my configuration file, beans.xml file, I have created two beans, one of dependency class, another of constructor injection class, with id d and c. Inside the d bean, dependency bean, I'm passing the value of name field to set the name field, and inside the construction injection bean, I'm passing the value of d, that dependency, like dependency class id. Okay, and then I'm trying to get the bean of constructor injection class, and then I'm calling show method of constructor injection class, show one method that will eventually call show method of dependency injection. So let's see what will happen. Will it print the value of name or not? Okay, there is some error. Let me check what is the error. Cannot find class for bean C defined in class path XML. Okay, just a minute.